Hello friends, today we're going to look at how to cite journal articles in the Harvard style, and it can seem a little bit daunting, but essentially there are some key foundations of the reference you'll need in order to create it successfully for your reference list or your works cited list. And what you're looking for is an authorship. This includes the surname and the initials of those that have authored the paper, followed by the year of publication in brackets, the title of the article in single quotation marks, followed by a comma, then the title of the journal in italics, comma. Then we move on to issue information. And what do I mean by that? So for example, the volume, the part number, the month or the season that this was published, and then we look at the page reference if it's available, so the page numbers, and then finally we can include something called a DOI, and that's a digital object identifier, which you'll be able to find when you look at the journal article, and you can include that if you're using an article that is only available online. So in the example now on the screen, you will have all the information you need to create a successful citation. You don't need to remember where the comma goes, where the full stop goes, or what needs to be in italics. So let's look at that in practice. First up, we're going to identify the author, which we have inputted there, and I've included et al., which simply means and others, rather than me having to put in all of the authors in the journal article, which could be hundreds in some occasions. So et al. And others is used on this occasion. The year of publication in brackets, the title of the article in single quotation marks, followed by the title of the journal in italics. And then we have the issue information, so this is volume 31, issue 6, and then the page information, 1 through to 34. And I've included the DOI, the digital object identifier, as it is available and it's unique to that particular article, so it helps anyone access that information again. Now if you are required to cite all of the named authors, instead of using et al., you simply input those named authors in the format that I have shown there, and everything else stays the same. So that's how you cite a journal article in the Harvard style for your works cited list. If you'd like a template that you can copy and paste into your own work and insert your own information into your paper, check out the description below for that. And whilst you're there, I'd really appreciate if you could hit that subscribe button, smash the like button, and drop me a comment below if you've got any questions about this.